Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, dear students. This is Teacher Adam. And there are a few things I wanted to share with you. First, I welcome you. I say all of you welcome. I'm so blessed to have you guys. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, open all the doors of good for all of you. And the few things that I want to share with you, to start with the first thing. First, I apologize. I say sorry. I did not upload a video for the last few, I think a month. It was close to a month. And because I was very busy, there was Ramadan, and then after that, and I was also creating some courses and preparing them, that kept me busy, quite busy. And the other thing that I wanted to share with you, dear brothers and sisters, is, and I'm back, we're going to resume the lessons the way they were before. So rest assured, inshallah, from tomorrow, the first lesson will be, will be posted. And the last lesson that I posted, I think it was lesson 84. From tomorrow, inshallah, you're going to get the next lesson, which is lesson 85 of the course book. And so rest assured, inshallah, the lessons will resume the way they were before, and even better, inshallah. And the last thing that I want to share with you is, dear brothers and sisters, my beloved students, the courses that I promised you, the courses are ready. So if any one of you is interested in the course, please reach out to me. I will welcome you, inshallah, and help you with your endeavor or endeavors, when it comes to learning English. So please share the video with all your friends and your family, especially the ones who are interested in learning English. And one last thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, please, if you have any question whatsoever with regards to learning English, please don't be shy. Don't be shy, please. Feel free to share that question with me. Inshallah, I'll be more than willing to help you out with any query that you might have. And so another thing that I wanted to add, please. Another thing that I wanted to add, and sorry if I've kept the video long. One thing I wanted to add to that is, if you think that we should change anything, or we should bring something new, if you have got any query, if you've got any suggestion, if you've got any comment, if you've got any critique, whatever you have, everything that comes from you, I welcome all of it. Everything is positive that comes from you. So please feel free to share the comments, the queries, the critiques, the feed, whatever you wanted to share with me. I'm more than willing to welcome them and give you a positive feedback on any one of them. With that, dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bye bye.